I just experimenting. Okay, I just commenting them, and I using these CSS and JS. So I just simply copy them. Okay, you can use this copy button also directly. So okay, all are commented, right? And then first I pasted this one, and I'll shift F, formatting it. Okay, yes, I have pasted these three. CDN, font awesome, Google font and MDB. I save it. Next, we need one JS file. Okay, these are the CSS styling files, and this one is the okay,
So,
control.
forward, sir. Wait, sir.
This is the we
Cheers.
are replacing the bootstrap. We are replacing the
Okay, okay.
okay. Actually, it is a advanced bootstrap. What we can say, if you go with the bootstrap, bootstrap is easier, but this make it more lot easier. They have their own custom class along with the bootstrap class. Means we can use the bootstrap and we can use their free templates and all these things. Better thing is that if you need, I will show you why we are going to use it. First, we need to make it compatible. I just replace these two things. Okay, we remove the node compiled versions our from the our Laravel UI bootstrap to our this one. Okay, MDB bootstrap. Okay, I commented these two things and added these four lines. Okay, out of that three lines from the okay from where okay CDN version. Okay, you have to check. You must use go to CDN three for the style sheet and one for it. Now how we can check it is compatible? We just refresh this page. Okay, so you can see that there are some extra style like the shadow for the box and okay, but one thing is that here we unable to open the this sidebar menu. This is the left side menu. Okay,
Okay.
so we will fix it because we are going to deal with it. So what will be the problem? We just going to this. Okay, so first of all we need to find where is this button is. Okay, where is this profile button is. Admin user is written here, and this is mostly the top bar. We call it as a menu bar, right? Navigation.
Navigation.
Yes, here is in the app.blade.php. Here you can see, here it says the nav link and this thing. Okay, drop down toggle is there, and probably the same error might be that. Okay, here I will debug this.
Hi.
Okay, so here is a drop down nav bar. Okay, might be the change in the bootstrap working. Okay, so I will make it work. So if here, okay, why we are going to use it? Let's see. Here is the search icon. Okay, search your nav bar.
Never bug.
Okay, you will have the nav bar first option, and if you scroll down, you will have the different types of nav bar. Okay, this like this one, and another one. Okay, so out of this, I think first one is compatible for us. Okay, and if you go to the show code, you just have to copy paste it. Okay, so if you copy it, okay, and I just paste above our navbar. Okay, I will not going to replace it line number 36. Okay, I just skipping the whole thing because we have to merge them, right? The variables are there, we are going to merge them in the this static one. I just paste it, control say alt shift F to format it, and I save it. Now I am going to check whether this UI is merged with now. Okay, so we will have two navbars. Okay, you can see this one, and okay, I will refresh it again. Problem might be okay. Okay, for this I think we may need to add the jQuery. Okay, we are going in the console and check the error. Oops. Okay, okay. Yes. Okay, one more
Drop down.
Uh, we may need to include another CDN there. Okay, so standard stuff. Okay, what is the, where is our link? This here section.
Okay,
Because
sir.
this is the default we have here, and one more CDN we need. I think we need the admin.js is there because when we downloaded the this when I downloaded the template, it has the admin.min.js. Okay, so I think okay, maybe I keep this one and CDN. All CDNs we need. Therefore, okay. First of all, I need to find it. Okay. Oh, unfortunately, the power is off. Okay, we will continue until we have the light. Okay, come again. Okay, no problem. I think MCBD was clicked. Okay, getting started. The installation. We have the MD Planter. Okay. Okay. It get directly downloaded, and here we have okay. I already downloaded it for another project. So we need one extra file, and we also going to find its CDN. They have not given, but we are going to guess it. Okay. So okay, here if I go into JS, I have this. Okay, here also we don't have this. Okay, I need to download the demo. Okay, different type of demo in the starter templates. MDB starters templates. We have the admin dashboard. Okay, so if I download this, this might have the yes, yes. Okay,
Oh, admin.
yes. Here that file is there. Okay. So if I extracted it, okay, I already downloaded this. So where it is MD bootstrap admin. Yes, this one. Here I will in this JS I have the admin.js, right?
Yes.
Yes, here one is, and I think also it has the CSS admin.css. I just need to find this two CSS. Okay. Let's see. MDB ES mean. Okay. UMD version we have main.js, right? So there is that CDN. Okay. I just go to our project, right click and say view base source. Okay. Then we have this three CDN, right? This is
Yes, sir.
this one is for me. I mdb min.css. Here only I think I can find the admin.css or admin min.css. I just type admin.css to check whether it is available. No, it is not
Not for.
available. Okay. Otherwise, what we do, we will use our data extracted CDNs. Okay. Not it is not there. Okay. So I will check the version of this one also. Here, which version of Bootstrap it is? Okay, if we check, yes, it is like this,
Mm.
and this is working. But okay, right click, view page source, and if I go to this admin.css, okay, it is just a small file. We can have this code. Okay, we can have this code in our template directly. So here in the head section, just below the scripts, okay, just before closing the head, we can write the style. Okay. Don't worry, I just pull it, and you can I just push this file and you can download it in the git just by git pulling. Just we first fix it whether it is properly working or not. So I added the style. I think just by adding the style it will not work. Okay. So one thing I think I have to do, the I comment out the following navbar, cause two navbar may also cause the problem. Here is some problem. Okay, what is the problem?
Let me check.
Don't do the changes, just have your attention here. So what I do, I just cut it and paste it temporarily somewhere. Okay, in the Google Docs. Further we need it. We just fix it, and I will share the code with you. Okay. Once it gets fixed, so I will save it and check. I think I also need to have the JS file also. Either okay, not these two files are not we have just images, but okay, yes, we need to include that. There is our yes here. We also need to include the admin.js. Okay, so we not included it in the demo also. No, yes, they are included here. Okay, this is also small code. I will copy it. Okay, it is for the data set and charts. It is not have to do anything with the this functionality. Okay, control plus F5. Not working. We need to check what is the problem here. Need okay. Okay, first of all we see what type of JS and CSS it have. Okay, admin it have. Then mdb mean.css we have. The best way to check it. Okay, best way to check it. So view source flow and it have all .css. We all this have three files and this one we don't have. We have admin CSS and another one. Okay, we do only one simple thing, cloud. We are not going to cloud. Cloud inherit. Yes, we'll go with the cloud inherit. This is the free CDN provider. Okay, here what we can do, we can upload our CSS and JS and they will give us the link. Okay, and it is more faster than saving the CDNs files on our server. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
here because they have the replicas, means over the globe they have different servers and we upload our assets here and they make the copies of it. Okay, and if you accessing it from Malaysia, it will serve you from the latest location near your physical location. Yes, if I
Okay.
accessing from India, it will serve me from the latest nearest location from my PC location. So and it is used widely and in the free plan they give um, good access, good amount of okay. So I make a new folder. I EzKongsi. You just use this CDS. Okay, I make it. Okay, the spelling I think it is wrong. I deleted it. Copy the spelling from our project. Might be yes. Create a new folder. Folder is created. Here inside I will upload the both downloads like this we have the file this access. We use this URL. So what we have to do, we have three files. We need to add only two files. One is the admin and another one is the admin.js. We have to do correct.
Go slow.
Folder. Okay, where is our folder? EzKongsi. So everything is there. Yes, we can rename it. Okay. This is admin, right? This one. Home. PHP. Click this CSS tab. Link CSS. So this one is included. One is included. Then JS file is there. Map. This is CSS. This is map. This is CSS. This is also CSS. I think the latest file is JS. This one. This one is indeed there. Okay, this is not. Okay, this is already included. We have this map JS, then map JS. Here we have the offline node. Yes. Here they have used the mdb and admin.css. The admin.css we copied it.
Yes.
Okay. Then mdb.css 7.1.0. This one. Okay. This is not. This is one. another option is there. This one is okay. Bailey is not working. Okay, here. This is also CDM. What's the problem? Okay, this is our code. Okay, let me check the problem. The drop down. Yes, this is the avatar. Inside the A, we have this. And why it is not loading? One input window. Yes, there is image. Problem. Third party cookies will be blocked. Network. Yes, this one. These two images are blocked. Why they blocked? Okay, we will use our images. Also see whether those are also get blocked or not. Control C.
I know.
Yes, still our problem is not solved. Even we have the image. One minute. Our resources should be on HTTPS. Okay, all are on HTTPS. The problem with the assets. Styling is implemented, but why this is not working? There might be the another extra CSS. We don't have any extra CSS. Okay. These are only our all min.css, mdb min.css. This one is extra, and we added our. Okay, we will just comment out this one. Don't need this because this we have included through the CDM. Okay, save it. Let me check whether any extra CSS is there. Before it had nothing. There is no extra CSS. Okay, so let's save file. The console we have the 7 errors. I'll check runtime. Let's see. Should work. Inspect it. Okay. This one is element. On hover of it, we should have the drag down menu enabled. Okay. We have the relation between the navbar drop down menu and here avatar. Avatar. Any CSS. Let's see this. This is the chart problem. Or chart may also cause the problem. No, this will not cause the problem. Okay, 1 minute. We have the offline version, yes, right? And this is working. This is working without any error. And what we can do. Okay, let me try to work with the offline version instead of using CDNs. It should work because we get the effects. You can see this one, the bootstrap and all those
Hmm.
things, but we are
Yeah.
not getting this stuff. This is the problem. I think the problem. Okay, I'll close all those things. No things. So here we have main template. Here admin. We have this one. Inspect this one. Here we have the avatar and same thing we have. We are using the same. Okay, we do one thing. We also use the same HTML of this HTML file instead of using the reference one. I just open this file in the code and
Okay.
I copy the navbar. and also we, okay, there is a header tag, and I need to check does we have the header tag here. No, we directly use it inside the div app ID. Okay, might be the problem is this navbar must be in the header tag. Okay, just copy. Okay, I just first implement this one, this header tag. If the problem gets solved, then it's okay. Okay, then end of header. So I just save it, and here we have. No, not it is not get solved. So we just copy the. Let's see what I do. I just copy the entire body inside it. CSS all this separate. We can't do like this. In the app.let, we have the age content. Okay, this is our main part. Okay, let it be. So the thing, I'll just copy it.
So body.
And okay, you both have the original content, right?
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah,
original way.
app.play.php you both have. Okay, so I just
Yeah, yeah.
refreshing it. Only okay, okay. I will keep this one separately. So, this is the main thing. It get render. Okay, I will paste it in the command here. No problem. So what I do, body to body, we just keep delete Windows V and the body. Okay, so we just want here JS and MDB. I think these are the included. mdb.udm.min.js. Okay, UDM, UMD, UMD. Where are the CDM? We have the CDM. Okay, that link is in here also. Okay, then we have the, yes, we already have the UMD version, right? And min.js, we have this one. Okay, where it is min.js. So what I do, I just copy it. Okay, this one for the admin. For the admin, what I do, we have the admin version from the cloud image. Now this is the basic setup we have to do it. So that's why. So because we are going to use the same assets for all our users, all type of users. We use the same assets. Here,
Oh my god.
cd, yeah, here this here. See this one. I use this for the admin.js. Then at the top we have some in the head section, right? Here we have the admin. We can see we have the all.css. We also have
Mm.
the Google
Yeah,
API.
yeah.
That's mdb min.css. We already replaced this one in the UI kit one. And then we have the another extra, no, we have the admin.css and this chartmin.css. This is also, I think, the direct CDN link. I just add it. It will require us further, not now. I think this is also included. Yes, Cloudflare. No, not that one is not included now. So let's see. Okay, this is the JS file. Okay, right. And we only need the admin.css as per that one. And here, this one. admin.js, right? Yes, this is our admin.js. Okay. Now this is completed. I just save it and check.
It
Yes, it
it
check.
be
Yes, no. Yes, it is working. Something was there. Okay, in the version. So I have made all the things online with the CDN. Okay, just okay. This is in our project. Okay, I will. Okay, first of all, I do the git push, git add. So git commit. What I name it minus m comment it. I say admin starter template. So then what I do git push. You just do git pull. Okay, guys. Wait for wait. Wait. Yes, you can just call the git pull from your end. So we will get updated with the latest version and check after the login you will have the dashboard like this one. There might be the problem,
yes,
but
sir.
we have solved it. Means there was the problem is while we are mixing with what we were doing that thing. So also I need to check one thing. Okay, to make it the logout work, I need. Okay, hey guys, just that old file you have. Hi guys,
Hello, sir.
you have the old file. Yes, right.
Yeah, I have the old file.
Okay, okay. In that, you have the. Okay, just share this file to me. How you can share it? Okay, on the WhatsApp you can share it. Okay, okay. Wait, wait, wait. What we can do? We can also get it from the Git also. Okay. So we go to Git. What we need that the logout button code we need. Okay. So I go to GitHub. So here we have the name. Yes. Here. Connect it with the. Okay, in the app, in the resources, views, in the layout, we are changing the app.get.php. Yes, here. And here we have the latest one. But they how to check the difference. Okay, so I need to find the latest commit. Admin panel. What was my last comment? It was admin starter template. Okay, admin starter template. I just click on it. Okay, where you find and here I have the old one and new version. Okay, you can see this. The red one is deleted. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, red ones are the deleted lines and the greens are the added. Okay, we just added these things
Oh,
and we have the old code. Okay, so here are the two links we need. Okay, the first thing we need the login. Okay, login route is there and then we have the register route. This was given when the guest mode is on. Otherwise, we have the form with CSRF token and with the route logout and after that okay this is the code for the logout. Okay, this one. So on click okay, we are going to implement this one in the form. I will explain this code also. So in the app.blade we added our template. Okay, I will format it so it will be nice. Okay, so here I need to find the what is the this is logout. Okay, so here it is template. That's why we have the href as well. Okay, so we want to make it work. Okay, so after clicking on this logout, okay, so what I am going to do
so,
currently I am doing that when I click on this logout, it should get the logout. Okay. Hello.
Sir, we
Hmm.
still haven't getting the interface.
Like this one. Okay, guys.
No, no, sir.
Share the screen. We will come together.
Because it doesn't know
Hmm.
which part we didn't do, or it doesn't know.
Okay, okay.
Because it's
Okay, just share the screen. Just share the screen. I
this,
stopped this. Okay, so
because it's look like a default version.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, so here we are. Go there in the terminal. Yes, that terminal
Terminal.
was open.
Okay.
Yes, you are in there. Git pull. Okay, you
Git
added it.
pull.
Okay, git pull. Git pull.
Git pull.
Pull. See what happened? You just tried the same command. Okay, that was to be done when you have to push the code. Git added commit only on the okay. Manage code. Select.
Select.
Select. Press the selector. Okay. Okay. Yes, it is about what it say.
About please commit your changes or trash them before you merge.
Yes, yes. You just have to trust them. Okay. So, okay, I will give you the command. Uh, git force pull. Git force pull override local files. Okay. So how you have to do this one? Uh, First update all the refers to latest git branch backup master branch git stash uncommit changes. Make sure the stash or uncommit anything you need. For example, running git stash and later reapply this uncommit changes. Git stash pop. This one is also okay. Uh, I am sharing the command with you. You just fire this one,
Okay,
these
sir.
two commands. Okay. Okay, the first one, and then have the pull command. This will do what? It will ignore all the changes you locally done, and it will pull the new code. Okay, just hit enter there. Okay. Okay, and then git pull. It should work now. Yes, yes. Select. Okay. Yes. Now refresh the page. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
No.
We have the app blade common for all. That's why we had this event. Okay, let it be. So just any problem. You log in with the volunteer, right?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Okay. What we are going to do? We are just need to make it work. This one. Just
Make it
log out
work the
one.
logo.
Okay, Alif. Hi.
Alif. Alif.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you able to have this dashboard?
Uh, the interface I have.
Okay, you have this interface.
Yes.
Okay, after login. Okay.
Login I don't have yet.
Any problem is there?
Uh,
Alif, share screen. So it's better.
okay.
Means okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Not this one. Just close this one. Our project. That one. Run our project from the Laravel. Go to the localhost slash EzKongsi. Localhost slash EzKongsi. Yes, right. But make this capital EzKongsi. Make this URL
I
capital.
will.
That is there. Just type capital E in the history of this Google Chrome. You have this one. Yes, yes. The best way is just Okay, just go to login. Okay, okay, just log in with the admin at admin in the email.
Uh, Go to aiming.
No, no, no. Go to that browser only. Okay, and log in with the
Yes.
admin user. I am saying that there. We just open that one. Yes, log in with the admin user. Admin. Yeah, admin at EzKongsi. EzKongsi.com, I think. Small one, small. That email is in small case. .com and 126 is the password. 126 is the password and login. So this is working. Just go to admin user and try to click there. That title we have this one. Yes, no, it is also not working. Okay, and you have this one. Okay, okay, okay. Open your app.blade.php.
What's that?
App.blade.php. Open your app.blade.php. Go to the code. Okay.
Visual Code, Visual Code.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Go to yes, yes. You already opened that one. No, here in the left side. Here you have the layouts under the layouts. Yes, just below. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes. App.blade.php. Just dot. Yes, yes. Above means yes, yes.
Yeah.
Layouts, resources. That was there. Okay, go down. Okay, resources in the views in the
Uh,
layouts app.blade.php. Yes, here. Okay, your issue is so no. You just copied the things properly. Yes, right. Okay, or you hit the git pull.
and
Not okay. Just go in
no.
the terminal and hit the git pull. So git pull. Type there. Okay, in the terminal only. Git and pull. Git space pull. Hit enter. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Go to your folder in the from the our yes there. Go to our project EzKongsi. Yeah. Right click in the main and open with the git bash here. Yes. And now hit the push git pull pull. Enter. Wait for some. Yes, same problem you have. Just go in the comments. Our Google Meet comment, Google Meet chat. Go there. Yes, yes. Just select the first one. Hit one
First
by
one.
one. Yes. This will do. It will ignore all your local changes and pull the fresh directory from the Git, from the last commit we have. Okay. So we are going to do the first. Okay. Right click and paste. Right click. Right click. Right click. Yes. Enter. Yes. Now git pull. Just type git pull. Okay, it will ignore all the changes on your local machine and it will import all the things. Yes. Now you have the successful backup from the git. Now just refresh that page. Your page, that browser page. This one. Not this. This. Yes, this one. Refresh it. Refresh this page. F5.
Hmm?
F5. Refresh. Refresh the page. Okay.
Just
Okay. Okay. Now I am going to share my screen. Okay. Just okay. You can just stop the representation. Okay. Okay. I'm resume the presentation. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what the first thing I have to do? I open our project EzKongsi. I explain the public. Okay, right? So here I not going to home. I am just going to admin first. I am logging with the admin. Okay. Okay. Here is the thing. And what we have to do? Just we have to log out in. Okay. Can you hear me? Hello?
Can, sir.
Yes. What we
Can.
have to do? I have to log out this code. Make it free. But it is a static link. It is given as hash, so it will not work. So we have to make it work. First, and I need the old code to work. Okay, right? So with the GitHub, I can access old directory, our old code. Now on this one, I should say EzKongsi. Yes, this one. Here, this is my last commit. Admin panel, right? Admin section, right? So I just go there and see what are the changes, and I made changes in app.blend.php, right? So I just need to add the logout functionality there. Okay, guys, this is the logout functionality. Okay, I need to implement this in our this new code here. Hello? Uh,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Here we need to implement this thing, right? Okay, the thing is that it is in the div and li is there, right? So just copy this li. Okay, don't okay. You can just okay. Do you want to try at simultaneously? Hello.
Yeah, what, sir? Sorry, pardon.
Do you want to try the simultaneously?
Sure, sure.
Yes. Just copy this. I will share the link. You will have the commits there in this GitHub page. So from where
Okay,
you can
okay, sir.
copy the changes. This is what first commit we have now. Okay, you just copy the code, authentication links. Okay, don't copy the UL, just copy from the authentication link and guest. Okay, whatever within the UL tag, without UL tag including. Okay, understood? Line number 41 to
Authentication
70
41
to 72.
72.
Okay, because we already have the UL tag here, and I replace this one.
Mm,
Okay,
Okay, sir.
with this one. I don't want to make more changes also. I just save it, and I'll see the formatter is there. I'll save it, and let's check what what is going on now. Just go ahead. Now, okay, it's not on. It gives us a notch and this one. Okay, the problem is that it is missing the inbuilt drop down. This tag is drop down, and this is the one we need to solve it again. Okay, so okay, first we will do the logout and we then do the other things. What I'll do,
Okay.
uh, if there is a guest option, means this one is login and this thing we don't need. Okay, okay, guest option we don't need, and authentication link. So I just erase it. Now I just save it. I say here that okay,
What?
what else? Okay, what happen if and if okay if control Z, if route has login, we have the login button. Yes, we but if when the guest is there, guest is alien and guest has to be first route login. This is the system route is there with the register and guest. Okay, this is the guest means when are not logged in. Okay. What is there? Okay, okay, guys.
Never link.
Can you hear me?
Can sir.
Okay. What I'm saying that when you are guest, right? Line number 163. Can you see my the screen? My screen?
We can see.
Yes.
So,
Actually, this is inside the okay, and this is the another loop. Actually, these are the loop by the by the Lara loop. You will not see those loop anywhere else. So the problem is the first is a guest, and this is the guest means if there is a guest,
else.
yes, when there is a guest, it means that user is not logging. Then it will show you the first link, the login link, and the register link. Okay, and if there is no guest means someone is login, then it will show you the logout option. Yes, here is the logout option. So what the problem was that the class names, you can see that here the links have the drop down item class, and here li don't have any class, so this is the problem. So we'll fix it, we remove this class. Okay, so I first remove this class from the okay, from the login route. Okay, then I also remove it from the register also. We just remove it. Then I am going to check. Here we have the drop down item. Okay, here first it is the drop down item inside. Okay, okay, wait. We don't make it inside the drop down item. My profile and setting also there, cause we want it one thing. Sorry. So I just cut it down. Okay, and when we are login, yes, then only this menu should be shown. Okay, when we are login, then only this menu will be shown. Otherwise, what I need the link like a normal. Okay, so here is our starter template. Here is our by default template. I just open it. Yes, this one. Like this, this option only available when you are login. Yes, and otherwise we will show them the logout and okay, login button and register button. But this is not our requirement because this is the admin dashboard, and we don't give here any login button. Right? We have the login
Yes,
button
sir.
there.
I.
Hello. Hello. We The user came to this view only when he is login, so we don't have the login and register button here. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, because that was old logic. They have different thing, but when you will never see any login button inside the dashboard, you will see only outside. And if your session expires, then you will automatically go redirected to login page, right? Proper thing, properly working. So this logic is not for us. Okay, so what I do, if there is a guest and else, so this part is not for me, right? Login and register link,
Oh,
we
the
don't need it.
any.
Yes. So and if there is a guest and then else, and but this container part is for me, this drop down menu ul part, so this is in our else part. So in if part we don't need anything. Okay, so in the inside the guest, we do do nothing. I say do nothing. Do nothing. Actually, we need to redirect. Actually, we need to redirect user to login page. Bro. Right? Yeah. And when the user is login, means he is not guest. Yes. Got it now?
Oh, do nothing.
Yeah. This is the new language. Okay. And end guest should be end with this ul only. Okay. Outside the user. Now this is right. Okay, this is just for the security purpose, and now I can have the my profile access, then I can have the settings access, then I can have my name. Okay, actually this should be at the top. Okay, the name is accessed by like this, but we don't need it. This li and inside that we have this logout. So first link I don't need it. I can do one thing. I, okay, okay, let's see. Here we have our profile picture and we don't have anything. Okay, yes, I just remove this name also. Okay, this one. Okay, I remove it, but I need this one. And this time to make the match with our theme, we do what we do. We remove the class of the li. These are our default from the theme, right? So like this I am making. So authentication link is there. To log out the button, make it work. Okay. So then I have the div. Okay. Inside that div, menu drop down end. I think I also not need this one because this that structure was different. The structure was like clicking inside and then have the pop-up, and we already inside the pop-up, right? No, we already inside the drop down. So
Ah,
just
yeah.
remove this div, and this div means directly we have the li, and inside that we have the a tag. Okay, so I just make it work like this, and now okay, just it is a long one. I just make it a two line because it has many things just rather than just link. Okay, you know the post method, post method,
Post method. No, sir.
get method, post method in the PHP.
Get method, post method.
Form submission
After.
method. Yes, form submission method. You submit the form. Here we fill the
Yeah,
data.
yeah.
Yes.
I not. I didn't remember.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. W3 school. You can get the reference. Get, post. There are actually 4 to 6 type of methods. Okay. So there are get and post. You know these things. Get and post.
Ah, get and post.
Yes. Same way. The problem is that the logout for the security. Okay. uh, Laravel put it in the post way, means you have to post it. Okay, so post the token. This is the form, and then this form gets submitted. Then only you get login, logout. Okay, for logout also it means the security. Then what we did here, we have the a class. Okay, and here we have the link. Okay, and here is the our code. Okay, here see, it is a inline JavaScript code. Okay, hello,
Yeah, sir.
you can read it. On click, it's a event prevent default. By default, on click on this button, what will happen? Something will happen. Okay, it will be give, go to this link, right? Yes. On the clicking on a link, what happen? It go to some other link. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So we want to prevent it because we not want to go to the wrong direct logout link. Means it will be a get method. Yes. If you go to the href, it will be the get method. So that's why we prevent it. So when you click on it, it will not get redirected to another page. Then what happens? Then it say document get element by logout form. Then you can say here is the ID. Yes. So this will call this form and submit this form. Okay. Got this line? Two lines. Hello. Hello, Naresh.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Got these two lines meaning? This first line and this second line.
Submission for the submit to make the user log out. For
Hmm.
prevent is to what
Yes,
to stop them.
yes. Prevent is to stop going to this link. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. And the second thing is to submit this form automatically by clicking on this. Okay. Because you in this form you can see there is no submit button. Yes.
Ah, yes.
Yes. There is no submit button, and we want to make it work on this a link. Then I click on this logout. Actually, it is a text. Okay. Text with the variable. Okay. Because it has the translator also, so we can change its name in a different language. That's why it is written like this. Okay, so this is the blade variable, Laravel blade variable. So it is just like a logout text input. But what we want to do, when I click on this a link, it should submit this form. Okay, because the logout request is in the post form. This is not in the get form. Okay, so that's why we need to submit this form. So what we did, we first prevent the default to avoid redirection to logout URL because it is the get method. And then what we did, with the help of JavaScript, we submitted this form. So this should work now, and let's see how it will be looking. And it should not break our UI. Okay, so when I click here, okay, just I click it, and it is working. Okay, got it?
Got it, sir. Sir, but my logout word is missing, sir, from the page,
Okay,
the
okay,
interface.
okay. Might be some problem. I just push it. Git. Okay,
Git push.
okay. Caps lock. While pushing, you have to fire three command. Git add. Don't fire this command at your side. Okay. Otherwise, it will cause the same problem. Then we need to hard reset it. Just okay. Hello,
Or just push, sir.
hello, Alif.
Yes, sir.
Don't fire this command at your end. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Git. Then add then commit minus m and fixing logout. Okay. I say fixing logout, and then finally git push. I just push the code to git. Okay. Wait. Now you have to do one thing. You just have to fire one command. Git pull. Just fire the one command. Git pull. And now check. You will have this thing properly here. Okay, once you log in, and here something went wrong. What happened? Okay. Wait.
Got sir.
Guys, wait, guys. Okay. Yeah. Okay. First of all, guys, stop doing things. We need to fix it. Can anyone say me why this is happening? Can you explain me? The problem is that we have this layout app.blade.php, right? Hello.
Yeah, hello, sir. Again, please.
Okay. Just stop doing. Just focus here. Okay. Here only.
Okay.
Okay. Just we have the git push and pull. That's why no problem. So okay, I will explain you one thing. Let me see the pen. Okay. This one. Do you know the page rendering?
Page.
Uh, okay. Let forget all thing. So this is our page something. So
Okay.
this is our by default web page. Then we have the menu bar, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Then we have some footer. Yes. And inside the header we also have the CSS and other things, right?
Yeah.
And these are the common things, right? Every page have this thing, means every admin panel have the sidebar. Okay.
Sidebar.
Yes, these are the common thing. To avoid the repetition of common thing, okay, we do the layouts. Suppose this is the sidebar. Understand that what I am saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So actually what happen, whenever you do, okay, I change the log. This only the red thing is get changed. Okay.
Mm.
Every time, and header, footer and sidebar remain the same, almost same, not exactly, but there are also small changes, but mostly the layout is same. Okay. Hello,
Yeah, sir.
you getting
Yes, sir.
what I'm saying? That This is the dynamic content. The red one is dynamic. Sometimes here we have the menu. Just now we have the login, logout button, and all those things. Yes, right.
Yes.
So and these are the some might be that there are some things, but this is the layout. Which one? The red box, excluding the red box, this is the fixed layout. Okay. So this is our layout app.blade.php. Okay. But what happened in the app.blade.php, we have copied all the things, right? Yes, I have copied all the things, and we can and we are using the same layout in the login form. Okay. So when I go to this and I go to the login form, I have the layouts.app, right?
Mm.
Yes, got it. Here I say that. Okay, control plus plus, right? Okay. Can you see this?
Extends.
Yes, this is layout is applied. Okay, and when the layout is applied, inside the layout, which layout is applied? Layouts.app means in the views folder we have the layouts, and then we have the app, this
Abbey.
view. Yes, here one thing we miss, that we need to integrate this means here uh, here I need to explain the view where to put this content, red box, right? This
Mm.
red box. So this is done. I have just pasted in our chat. This is done by this one actually. Okay, yield content. So then only it will show the content. Okay. So probably okay. Just look at this, and I am going to make it work. So first is the navbar. Okay. So there, this is the common thing, and this is the okay. This is the sidebar first. Then we have the navbar, top navbar also. This is the common thing. Yes, header is common. This is the main thing, and this is our footer. Okay, in the footer we have the CDN and those things. Inside the main thing, we have the other components. So what we do here, only we replace this thing. Okay, inside the main content, I put this one, and I use this code, update this one,
Mean.
and fix the problem. Okay. Okay, just see here. Okay, don't try to do it at your, because you will get distracted. Just look at here. So what I did, I just replace this one. This is the red box. Okay, this red box is okay. This is the content. This is actually the login form. Okay, and this will be here. So what happened? When I click here previously, yes, you can see my URL. What is my URL? Localhost, EzKongsi public, and login. Yes,
Ah, yes, sir.
and the login form was missing. It is just like I am logged in, and this one. Okay.
Ay?
Yes, cause
Oh.
I not render this one. Yes, and this is our layout. Okay, this is our layout code. I just removed all these things, sales and this thing. This that
Mm.
was the main div, and I added the login form there. Yes, now you get this one. But this is not also the good way, cause I seeing the sidebar. Okay,
Ah,
menu
yeah,
bar
yeah.
and footer. So what I do, I will make the another layout. Okay, simple layout I want to make. Okay, got it. So I will
Got it.
make another layout and apply it to login form. Cause in the login form I applied the app layout. That's why it show me the that layout. Okay, this one. But I think I need a black layout. Okay. So what I do, I will make the simple layout. Inside the layouts form app.play.php, I make another layout. Login layout. Login dot blade dot php. I make this one. Okay. This is the layout. Okay, or what I can say, to avoid the conflict in the name, I rename it login layout. I name it login layout. Okay, just understand. Just by just pulling, you will have all the code. Just understand the concept. If you have problem in between, just tell me that not understood. So here I need to do one thing. I need to render the main thing. Yes, this one. And according to our thing, we need to adjust the top of our. So I am top of our main content. So I added this one. So this is our login form will be shown. But I need to have the some assets also. Okay, just see. So what I am going to do, I am going to login form. Where is our login form? In the view. In the auth, we have the login.blade.php, and here inside the app, I change it to login layout. Okay, understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I change the layout. Now see, I refresh it. So, okay, like this. So the thing happen is that we don't have any CDN. Okay, in the login layout, we don't have the header footer, right?
Mm.
Yes, that's why it not get applied to this login blade. So in the layout, what I do, I just copy the header, this header, and the body part. Okay, and paste it in the login layout also. Okay, and here the body will be get close. Okay, end of body, then end of HTML. Alt shift F, get format.
Aish.
Okay,
Look,
now I
my
have all the CDNs. Okay, then I go here and refresh it. So now the form is get restored. Got it?
No.
Okay, got it. Both of you got it.
that part I'm having errors, sir.
Okay, no, just skip it. Just have the list here. Check. What we did, we create a new layout. Yes, had you
Ah,
created a new
yes.
layout? Yes.
Ah, yeah, done.
Then you copy the head part only, head to body, not inside
Head
the
to
header
board.
part, because we don't need the navigation bar in the login form. Yes, right? We don't need the menu and all those things. We just simply need the form, but we need the assets of this type. Okay.
Okay,
The
okay, sir.
bootstrap classes we need, bootstrap CSS we need. That's why we need the head. So I just copy from the body to top of the code. Okay. Then I just put it above this one, and then I have the common code this one. Okay. I think you missed this one. Okay. Then I close the body and HTML. Just simple. Okay. Okay. Try it again. Okay. Or just share the screen.
Wait, sir.
Okay. Just wait. Okay. Just stop.
Ah, my one. Okay, sir. Hey?
Yeah.
No, 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 not okay, not okay.
Okay. Just share the screen.
Okay.
This way you will understand what is the concept of layout. Okay. So that's why I share that diagram, that red boxes and black boxes. So here, okay, here, okay, yes, something is wrong here. The main
I
is
think because of
main
this.
main. Yes, yes, yes. The style completed. Yes, now it will be shown. Save it and run it.
This one okay, sir.
Yes, okay. Now it should run. Okay, just refresh your page.
Eh,
Okay.
no, sir.
Okay, so you have not changed the layout. Go to the login form. Go to that one sidebar. Open the files in the VS Code.
Which one, sir? Sorry.
In the sidebar, that files menu. Here, yes, this one.
Oh,
Okay, here you have to go to the auth, view auth, views, views. Below auth, auth, login.blade.php, and you need to change that layout. The first line.
okay. Oh,
Yeah, the
this one change to.
layouts dot your file
Oh,
name,
okay.
login layouts. Le- Keep the layouts. You are still using the layouts from the layouts folder. Yes, we have the both layouts in the layouts folder.
Okay.
Just
Okay. Okay.
layouts, and just rename the app with the which layout you have, login layout, right?
Oh,
Yes,
like that.
got it.
Like this, sir.
Hmm. Just save it. So you can change it. That's like changing the theme will also work with the same principle. Okay. Okay, go there. I think. Okay, just go check the URL. You might be the login. No, no, no. You are not logged. No, no, you are not logged. Close it. Refresh it.
Refresh.
Okay. Okay. Miss what happened? You have all those things in the layout. Yes, right? You have all
Mm.
those things in the layout. You need to remove them. Just go there. Go to your login layout.blade.php. Okay. Just scroll down. Go to the body. Okay. Yes. That click on the 43 line number 43 and make it smaller one. Yes.
It doesn't have an option. I
Okay.
don't know
Okay.
why.
Just you have to delete the header. Just select all the header. Just shift button and down key.
Or just delete.
Yes. Delete all the header. Not yes, yes. All the header you should delete. Yes. Press back press. Okay. Just close the body tag.
Or close. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Remove that comment also. That navigation. This is also not useful. Yes. We are not going to use any navigation. Okay. Just also close the HTML tag after the body tag. Save it. Now the between we should have the content and content is coming from the age. Okay. Go to our yes chat. Google Meet chat. Go to Google Meet chat. Google Meet chat. In our Google Meet chat, I have shared this.
Oh, Google Media. Okay. Okay. This one, sir.
Yes, this one, last part. Just copy this one and put it inside the body. Yes. So this way we have the layout and inside that we have the content of actual page. So actually reverse it is. In the login is calling the login blade and login blade is rendering the content. Just imagine you have one bag and you can put the other things like you can put the bottle there, you can put the fruits there, and you can
Oh,
put your phone like there. And this is the layout. Okay, this is your carry bag. Login layout.blade.php.
sir,
And
but this thing I mentioned way above, right, sir?
yes, you had mentioned it at the top. That's why it get render. But at the bottom you have this thing and CSS get messed. That way. But and you just remove the above thing. The your HTML should be in the body tag only. Okay. And your first line should be your doc HTML. Okay. Yes. Now save it and just refresh it. Now you can have the same thing. Yes. Now log in with any. Okay. And click the login button. Okay, now you can go to inside and now click here and check the logout button is working. Yes, just go again login. Okay, repeat. Yes, means it is working.
Mm.
Okay, this way. So got it. We made
Got
the
it,
two
sir.
layouts. Okay, Alif. At your end, had,
To,
had you tried this or
yes.
yes? Okay, just share the.
E-working.
Okay, share the screen.
E-working.
Okay, the URL is okay. Means the things are okay. Login, logout,
Ah,
and different layout you have.
ah,
Okay,
okay.
confirm. Okay. So let's dive further. And next thing. So what are the benefits of using it? That the first thing we have the dependency is gone. When we are using the CDN, so we are not depend on our local assets. Okay, so I just log in here. Here I have the okay. I just cross check it. Yes, it is working. Okay. So and when I go to log out and here I go to login, I have this pop. And once we log in, we have this dashboard. Okay. So we have done with the dashboard for the means theme is done for us, and what we are going to make is our logic. Okay. So the first thing I need, what the fields should admin have? Hello, hello guys.
Yes, sir.
What fields should admin have? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want to discuss the project. What should inside the admin panel and what field should be in the volunteer panel.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because this is the structure we have made. Okay. Yeah. Yes, this is our dashboard. Okay. And what the menus? These are the static thing. We are going to change them as per our requirement. Yes. So what exactly we need in the admin panel? So just I am asking some questions. This way we can start. Can admin can create a volunteer?
Y- yes, sir.
Can admin create a new volunteer?
Um, Admin only giving a verification, like a status, whether it's eligible or not, like something like something approval.
Okay, okay. What is the logic that user come to your system or app and register as a
Mm.
volunteer? Yes.
Because admin the like once is
Okay. I just.
request, I mean like activate the verification for the volunteer, they able to send details about the training courses. That's why we need to do my project need to be have like for admin page they're going to be have a module for training modules.
Okay, means
Train, yeah,
what we need that this is the admin. Okay, so okay, there is no actor here. No actor. Okay, we will make one. So suppose he is the admin, right?
yeah.
Okay, you already shared the diagrams. Okay,
Alif,
the
tolong
media.
hantar punya yang gambar yang
Here, yes,
kamu.
I think we have the
I
diagram.
think Alif also did, sir. Alif also did.
Yes, this one. Yes.
This one is cannot.
This is overview just someone log in after his role he will go to admin and volunteer. This one is achieved. Yes, right. This one is get
Hmm.
achieved. Just we need to define their own dashboards. We will define the separate layout for the
Nah, separate layout. Yeah.
volunteer. We just copying it the admin layout, so it will be different, but the thing is same, that sidebar, top bar, that's all. We can have the different layouts for both. And then we have the, okay, so first thing is manage volunteers. So what I think the by default system what he can do, he can disable some volunteer, he can generate new volunteer, he can stop, he can grant the permission to the volunteer like this, enable
Yeah.
disable. User management we can say, volunteer user management admin can do. And the manage program, so what should be in the program, the concept of program here, manage program means which program means these are the courses or the goods or things, or what like this. Hello. No, this is the different. This one is different. Here I think volunteer, these are the fields of volunteer. This is the food bank. Okay, this is the event. Event means program, guys. Hello.
Like a program, like a
Means event.
training
Okay, any
modules.
event, that event is there, that you have to go to that event. That event have the title, description, the date on it will occur, date and time we can say, the location and volunteer. So in the admin should able to manage, I think he also able to manage the food, add the locations, add the events. Okay, and also manage the volunteer. So volunteer can have the food bank ID. Okay, this is the vendor part, right? I think. Just
But it's
we
a
have skipped
food
it.
bank is
Okay,
currently is not. My supervisor told me food bank is not
part of our
so
process.
important for now because we
Okay,
need to
okay.
focus on
Okay.
the
We
volunteer
can make
one.
it as this functionality from the admin only. Just admin handle the food bank instead of making the vendor
Ah,
part.
yeah.
Okay, we can do like this. So what we can do? We first need the location because the location has the ID and that is requiring event. Yes, guys. Yes. Event needs the location ID, right? This one we have the location ID. This should become from the location ID, right? Here, where you can see the location table, we have the
Mm-hmm.
location
Yes,
ID.
sir.
This is the primary key, right?
Yes, sir.
This is get reflected in the event also, where the event should be. It is in Kuala Lumpur or
Yeah, it's
yes, like this.
take part of as
Hmm.
entity like that.
I don't. I only know
Okay.
two, three states: Kuala Lumpur, Kual, Fang. My pronunciation is not right. And third one is the capital. Which is the capital? Kuala. Kuala Lumpur is the capital, right?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Capital.
Capital city is Kuala Lumpur.
I only know that's Kuala Lumpur, then Kuala Terengganu, and Kuala Fanang, Fahang, Phang, I think. Right, this one? Yes, this one. Only just listen from the ma'am. Actually, here the sister is there, ma'am, and they had the first project with me, food delivery system.
Oh,
Okay, that's why I only know these three names only. The
okay.
capital, this one, and the Telangana. Okay, so this way, like we have the where is our diagram? Where is this? As we shared it here. So this way we can add the locations. They have the name, they have the address, they have the city, state, event, and volunteers. Okay. So how many states are there? Okay. Inside it, okay, you just make this one, right? So, but state can also have the table, right? Okay. And city can also have the table. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
State can also have the table. Okay, separate table, ID and name, and city also can have the different table. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Okay, I just want to say that country, state, and city example. So, okay. So what we have to do? Okay, here it is no. I think this is the turn off. You need to do one thing, that you also have to make other tables also, that city and state. Okay, CRUD I am saying. Before making the location, we also need to make the state table, where we have the ID, and here we update with the state ID, and also need to have the city ID. Okay, so we do the first two things there. We today we'll start making the first the state table, because the state consists of city, and inside city we have the state ID also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so first thing I do the add the state. So I want to make the CRUD operation. So to making it fast, we are using the chat GPT. Okay. So get the code faster. So here we are, and hi self, hi there. I will share this sheet, so you will get all the prompts and code also. Uh, CRUD for state, where it has ID and title fields only in Laravel. So first of all, it say make a migration. Okay, just keep focusing, guys. So you should not miss anything. So I just copy it. First thing I make the migration. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening me? Okay. We are
Yeah,
going
yeah.
to do migration. This is different than coding in the another framework. Here it suggests us first to create the migration. Okay. So I keep it here, but so okay. So just first thing I make the migration. So I just write so table get, this will create the migration. Okay. So the migrations are get created inside the database, and migration we have the new migration. New migration always at the end. Okay, so this is the states table, and inside it we have the id and timestamp. We need also the title. Okay, we need a string called a title. So I just add it. Okay, if you miss something, don't worry. We share the code and just focus here. Okay, like this one.
Okay.
Okay, and if you can cope up, you can do both. Means you can just have the attention here and simultaneously you try. But if you get miss something in the while trying, don't worry. We have the code also. Okay, so then I just hit this one. It's migrate and it create the states table. Okay, and password reset table is also created. Might be that remain. Okay, so where I can check it. Okay, just I close it. So this no need. We only have the this one need pages. This is our project and our chat GPT. And one more page one need is our PHP my database we need to check. So just cross checking whether that table is get created. Okay. Okay. Why it is taking to that? Okay. Okay. Root it. Root that. Let's just log in and EzKongsi. And inside that we have the states table. Yes, right.
Mm.
Now we have this table generated. Okay, so
Yes.
next thing we need to create the model. Okay, so model is for the accessing this table database from our Laravel. So I just copy it and hit this in the our terminal. So it will create the model. It also saying me the path. Models are always get created app models folder. So here inside the app we have in the models in the states model we have this, but this is just a normal one. Here we don't have the allow fields and other parts. Just like you can see that inside the user we have many other things. It is just we can say the encapsulation. Inside this we need to do some code. Okay. Okay, I think in the make model state. Okay, it not okay. Create controller. Okay, one more thing of Laravel, I forgot to told you that when your name is plural of your model,
Mm.
your table name when your table name is plural of your model name. So what is our model name is state. Yes,
Okay.
and here we have the plural of the states. Okay, so
Okay.
by default it takes its all the arguments by default. So that's why we don't need to do it, but if we need we can do this also. So next step we directly go to our controller. Okay, we hit this command. Okay, now create a controller to handle CRUD operations. CRUD create, read, update, delete. So I just click hit this one. So it created me one controller. So in the http controllers I have states one. Okay, it
State
created
control.
me all the fields, only definition, only the initials. Means inside that okay, so that's happened why was I added the resources there parameter extra. So that's why it created all the functions. Index created it. Inside that it not created any code. We are going to do the code. In the index we need to fetch all the
Mm. Okay.
states and show them in the table. In the create we need the form and all those things. So step by step we will do that. So define the routes. Inside the routes okay, we have the resources route, so we don't need more than one route. One route is sufficient for all create, update, read, delete. So to do this, this is first I need to update the definition at the top where we did the routing. Do you remember which file? Do you remember web.php?
App.php. Okay, sir.
Web.php inside outside the app folder, inside the routes we have the web.php, right?
Ah.
Yes, we did last time. Yeah. So just at the end of line, just add this one. No, no, sorry. It is at the top. We have to use them. Okay. Before you are using the controller, we need to declare at the top.
It's
You have to
equal to.
import it. Indirectly, you can say import it. So and now I can use this one here. I just use this definition. Okay. Then I just put two lines, one at the top, okay, and one at the bottom.
Mm.
So here we had many things that auth routing did our all work that create read. We don't need to wrote that things. Okay. So same way we have the resources. It will handle all the routes. Now here is an example implementation of the CRUN. The first thing I need what inside the our controller. Okay, model view controller, you know. Okay,
Order to controller.
okay. So I will just quick review the concept. Model view controller. Okay, main review it. Mm, this is now our model. This is our view
Controller.
controller, and here is our view. Okay, mostly what happened? The view is for the end user, right? Yes, our user is at this point. This is our user.
Mm.
Okay, and he makes some request from browsing the page and like this. Okay, so what happened? He makes something request. He go to browser and so all the things are routings go to the controller. Okay, first of all we it goes to routing actually. Here is the routing. We can say routing happens here, and it decided to where to go. Yes, if
Uh,
he say that login
like a
and he says states.
give a
Hmm.
like a give a path.
Path, yes, URL we can say. Then it will say that okay, so we have to go to controller, yes. Then then the controller can access the database. Okay, actually our database is suppose how we can represent the database like this. Okay, like this. And okay, not exactly. Okay, not for this. So suppose this is our database. So we for security purpose we don't access it directly. What
Mm.
we do, we do access it from the models. Say, this way it is two-way connection, can be read and can write the database. It can read from the database, it can write from the database. Yes. And this is through the controller. This is also two-way. This is also two-way. Also two-way why? Sometimes you automatically get redirected to home page after logout. Okay, after adding some field, it again you go to the list page. That's why it is also two-way. It is also redirecting you back to another things. Okay, so this way the happen. So here we need to change it also, but just starting we are doing it because we need to make it secure. Otherwise anyone came and access this state variable. Okay, state path, and anyone can add the states. So this we don't need. Okay, so we make it a guard for it. Okay, so just like we made previously for other that profile page and like this. So what need first we need to make it complete. So we go to the state controller. I just copy this and where is our state controller? Here, and here I import the model. So model is needed to communicate with the state. So first we need to list all our states. Okay, so currently we don't have, but index page is obviously show all the records. Okay, then create function will create all the things. Okay, not using. Okay, I just continue the program. Create other methods. So this is the index method. Okay, we will explain one by one. inside the create method we don't need to provide anything from the database to the viewer. Suppose admin is logging
Mm.
and he want to create something, then we don't want to give some data from the database, just form. So we just direct it to the state that view properly. Okay, so I just replace this one with the this is the return view, states and create. Okay, so if I need to provide some dynamic data like username and another thing of sidebar, and that can be rendered. Okay, so currently it is not considering this, we need to optimize it later. So inside the store we need to take the data from the form and save it to the table. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay.
So that's why we need the request. Means our post data we can say we need it. So to get the post data, we have the request object of the Laravel. I'm going to explain this in detail because this is the basic start how the Laravel is work. If you understand this, then you can build any type of CRUD like this. Okay,
Hmm.
simple CRUD. This is just ID and title. We are not taking in any input file and thing. So if we need in further, we can do this just like in a profile that volunteer creation or food bank creation. Then, but this is first we take the simple example. Here we just input the title in the form and press the save button. It will get saved. Okay. So this is our store function. So here the request, we can say the request, post request, get guest request, just like, and we have the validation. One validation at the what's the front end side, just like a jQuery or HTML, we have the require field there, right? And we have there when we click on the form and without filling anything, so it will just giving us the that warning, just like you did here. Okay, here this is the HTML side verification validation. Yes, we just have to put the required field there. Yes.
Mm, yeah.
Yes, and sometimes what happens, if you put the spaces there, one or two spaces, and hit the submit, that warning gone, because it just checking whether it is filled or not. It's not checking whether it is a white space or not. So here we need to check it title. It is required, and here I need to trim it, I think. Okay, I will ask him for the trim, because sometimes white spaces can be sent. So yeah, I think avoid white spaces at start and end to avoid bad data. So it will include the rule. It just added the trim there at the last. So here we add this one. These rules are very easy to understand. It is required, means it is required. It should be a string. Here we must limit the length. So we limit this the length to the 255. You can also adjust it to 100 or 80 or something like this. And here is the trim. It will remove the white spaces at the start and end. If it is in between, no problem. Between two words, no problem. But at the start and end, it will get trimmed. So this will get solved here. Validation. Another is the state creates. What is state? State is the model, right? It will create the new, means it creates the new row from the request title. It is first get validated, then only it will create the new record, means, inside the state table. And once it is get created, we will redirect back to our index page, this one. So states.index routing, and with successful message, state created successfully. Okay, got it? Hello,
Yeah, sir.
got it?
Got it. So the trim section is for what the required. I understand
Okay,
because
get.
it's like more to what to say. want to like secure, right? Like
Hmm.
give
Okay, I
like
will show you
alert
the
sign.
example.
Let's,
Okay, HTML input. Okay, input form, form W3 school. Okay, just we can change the code also there. Okay, HTML forms are given. This is one. Okay, try it yourself. And here, okay, I remove the value of John. Okay, so it will be
Mhm.
blank, and I make
Okay.
it required. Okay,
Required. I understand, sir. The
okay,
trim
okay,
section only.
okay. Here I just what it said. Please fill the field. Okay,
This
and
one I
this one
understand.
time I put two four spaces. Okay, you can see I put places of white spaces right here,
Okay.
and I submit. It not giving me the warning. Say first name is nothing. Yes, that's why to avoid this, we trimming it. Okay.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
and trim not actually do the wrong thing. If I do like something in the space A, okay, and it will not trim the inside the section. When I submit it, I get the this one f name full. It trims only the before the string and after the string if we have. So sometime what happen? Many functions is there to have the dirty data inside our system. Some people do these things. They will have the white spaces and they submit the form. Our system not check it and we have that data. Okay.
Oh,
To avoid this, we must validate it before the inserting. Okay. This must be
okay, sir.
done. Validation must be done before the inserting. Because so if something wrong script is went inside the state, inside the database, and they can do the manipulation in our system. So that's why it is important to cleaning the data. It is just cleaning the data. Okay. Okay. So just require is not sufficient. That's why we take the 3 months. Okay. This is not a big science. Just okay.
DG.
Okay. Then we have the yes. This is the store function. It creates the new record. Just we have to use the create record function. Our model name, then the create function, and we have to put the data in the form of the column name and its value. The value is from the request title. It is from the form submission. Okay, and after this gets successful, we will go back to our index page where we should see the our data what we filled. So the thing is that we need to create these views also, that index, create, store. Okay. So just we complete the controller, then we go for the views. Okay. So after the show, okay, then this is for the sometime what happen, we have the wrong spelling and we need to edit it. Okay. So while you need to edit, you must have the old record also, that old value also. That's why we are giving this object and saying this state. Okay, the current row, updating row, and then we compact it, means render the view with it, and we can access that one. Okay, it making very simple that with another thing in the coding matter also, you have to fetch the data, you have to store it in another variable, then you have to put in the another variable and then render the page. Okay, so it is just the one line code, and here inside that you have to passing it, just that is doing all our job. Okay, you just get understand how it get work, and if you do 2 3 times practice of it, it is just fine. So after the edit view, it will be update. The store is doing the new record. Store is like creating the new record and adding in the table, and updating is the updating the existing record. Yes, here this is the function. Destroy is for deleting. So I just update the record, and finally we have the destroy. What is that? Okay. We will explain it. Firstly, we see each one in the practical, and also we add the records today. So these are the things, and what we did, model we did, we also did the controller. The last thing remaining is the view. Okay. Okay. Also, we need to do some setups also, the routing and all those things. Okay. So next thing I have to do this. Okay, these are the extra things. I just close it. State controller is there. Okay, I will also ask him to create views to save our time. Also create, but it will only create when we are in the same session. Okay, if you came tomorrow, probably it will give the less quality of response, because it will not understand this command from the start, because it is in the same session. That's why understanding that what I am saying, I am saying it in concern of Laravel and all. He know that we are telling him about the states model and this. Okay. So the first view, we have the index view. Okay. So I just copy it and make this. I create a states folder in the views. Okay. So to make it more clearly, I will do it with the help of Windows Explorer. So we will get understand where I am making the changes. So Laravel www, and here our system views are inside the resources, and views we have, and here I create a new folder called states. Okay, I can do it from the VS Code also, that you know, and inside this we need the files. Okay, so app, in the resources, in the view, we have the states. Okay, and here we are going to create all our views. The first view is the name is what, index.blade.php. Okay, so I just copy it and add the first file, view file. Then just copy the code. Okay, we will see all these things, what the code exactly is. Okay, so first thing. Okay, our work is not done yet, also we also need to secure it. So through that, first we will check whether the thread is working. And okay, so first thing I need to check it. The first route is public and states. Okay, I think states. Okay, yeah, you can see. Okay, hello. Actually, the default layout is app. That's why we already had this layout. Inside that,
States.
yes, inside that we have the add state button. From where it is coming from, the this one state create. Here we have the add states, and then we have the table. But currently we don't have any data. That's why this looping is not working. Here is the for each loop. Yeah, it will show us the ID, title, and action. Okay, yes, it is showing. But the following thing is for the for each states, but we don't have any states now. Okay, so here, if I go here, but I don't have this view. Yes, states dot create. So what? Here we have the definition. Create a blade. Okay. So I just create one more view here. Okay. Create dot blade dot PST. So we are creating it under the states. So these all are regarding the states. That's why we are not including the states name here. Okay, create state, index state. We are not doing. We create the folder states, and inside that we have the all the other options. Okay? So this one. So I just save it, and now we can have the create view also. Okay. Okay, I just try whether our controller is actually saving it to our database. So we will start with the capital. I just so I just copy the name. Okay, here we have the name. Just copy our first record insertion and submit it. Okay, we have the problem. So method validation traces does not exist. ChatGPT gives us the wrong information. Okay. Or sometime we need to call it further. Okay. So validation. request tree. You wrote the request instead of required. Okay, request. Okay, this one and use validated. Okay, I think we don't need this one. This is done by default. So this rule doesn't exist. This exists in the coding matter, but here I think this only do the same job. Okay, we will also test it. Okay, so I just refresh it and resubmit the data. So okay, what happened? Add title fillable property to allow mass assignment to the okay. So what happened? This is not allowed by default because in this update here I say I told you that this take all the requirement fields, but now it is changed again. In the 8 version it was possible, so you have to declare one array here. Okay, this is called as a fillable. So I just copy with the definition, go inside it just below the edge factor. Okay, we don't need any other extra, we just do this one, and our fields are only title is there, title we have. Okay, these are some updates. It was previously working that you don't need to define this one, it takes all the fields from the table. Okay, it's not restricting, but it is now restricting. So in every update they have different rules. Okay, now this one. Okay, we will try our trim case. I go here and put the 5 6 submit. So it is not get submitted. Okay, you can see I just added many spaces and click the submit. It redirects me back to the submit, or it not been edit. So why? Go here and here, here like this. Request validation fails. Our code dies here because this is the method, and by default nature, if this validation get failed, it not explain anything that, and that's why it avoid the blank entries, white spaces. Okay, so if I browse, I only have the one record. So okay, we means this rule is capable to handle the trimming of the case only also. Okay, got it. Hello, hello, Naresh.
Got it.
So means the trimming is get handled here. So this is done. So if I go again back to here, I need to edit it, right?
Okay.
You can see there's I am using the normal classes of the bootstrap, but we get the different theme because it is due to MD3 file. Okay, that's why we are using it. It's make our project beautiful also. So in the delete, what happened? Edit. It needs a view. Okay, we need to make it also create view in it, and we need to create edit.blade.php file. So this way. Here, where are our views? Inside the resources, views, state. We create a new file, edit.play.php. Just copy it. At the final, I will explain all the code again. Okay. So no problem. So go here and I hit the refresh. Now we have that. So I can edit. For testing, what I do, I added some dots there to update. So this will go back to our listing page, index page, and we have the updated record. If you hit the refresh, you can see the update. Also inside the
Mm.
database, you browse it, you can see that 2 dots are there. Okay. So again, I edit it and make the changes back to the normal. This way. So this is the basic credit. Also, we will check the delete option there. Okay, it also gives the warning for us, and it get deleted directly. Okay, so our this is the fully functional first script. Okay, so again I add it. Hello, hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, first credit is done here. Okay.
But sir, I would
Yes.
ask, how is it missing suddenly?
Yes, yes. I'm going to explain all things again. Okay. Alif is there. Hello. 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 Okay, guys. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, can.
Okay. We are going to revise this one. Okay. Today, what we did the CRUD. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Before securing it. Okay. Okay. What I want to say. I log out. Okay. I log out and I write the state here. States here. STATS. I can access it without logging. Okay, I am not logged in here,
Mm,
and I can create, edit it, anything to make it secure. Okay,
okay.
so from where we secured previously, we did in web.php. Okay, so here the states. Okay, here is our diagram. Okay, it is here. These locations, states, cities, all those things are managed by admin only, right? The user must not only be login, it must be a admin, right? Got my point? Hello? Hello?
Ah, yes, sir.
You got my point? The user must not be login only, it must be admin. Okay? Volunteer no need to be add the location and this thing, right?
Yes.
Yes? That's why we need both filter, authentication also and user access to admin only, right? Okay? Got the thing? Hello? Do you remember this previously thing? Admin home is only accessed by admin user, right?
Ah, yeah. We
Yes?
give access to only for
Hmm.
the admin.
So that's why I want to make it secure. So what I do, I just cut it, okay, and put it inside this rule. This is the group rule, okay. We already have the home rule. Okay, I put it down, okay, just below this. Because this is the first page, right? Obviously, so it will first. Then we have the states, okay, and now I am going to access this one. Okay, I am not currently logged in. I just it will refresh. It will redirect me to the login. Okay, at this time I want to check with the volunteer also. Okay, volunteer is where? Okay, I type it morning. Spelling. Volunteer spelling. Yes, here. Copy. It should not also get the access. Okay, right. So I just have to log in. Okay, close. Okay, okay. I save it for the and here I can log out, but just before I just going to the states again. Okay, states. So it's saying you don't have permission to access this page. Okay. So this is due to this one, this middleware. We did it first. Okay. Okay, this one, user access admin. Okay. That's why it will also get secured. This is very easy to do with the Laravel. In other system, you have to do it manually. Means you have to implement all those things manually. So I just log out now, and I need to log in with the admin this time, right? So it's
Okay.
admin.
Yeah.
Yes, we are just cross checking our system because we don't have the extra testers. Okay, now it is now, and if I access this one, which one? Public, and then I on the states. Okay, what happens? I can access this only, right? Because
Yeah.
when I am admin only. So this way we make it secure also. Okay, and now I just brush up the all these things, controller, model, and the okay. Means what I did today, I just explain you again to avoid the conflict. Okay, so first of all I share with you this thing. So copy the, I just copied it, and first of all I share with you so you can try an error also, and I also make it available on your Google Docs because this chat get closed and we don't have access of it, right? So okay, the best way we have the WhatsApp.
Oh, like this. Okay.
Yes, you have the entire the chat access there directly. Okay, so you want to try again and learn, then you can get help from this one. So you will have the access of all this. Okay, I can show you the help you at your side. You have like this. Okay, like this you can get
Oh,
all the chat and all the things. Okay, this is cool thing with the chat GPT. This is not available for right now for the Gemini. This is okay. So I just explaining you what we did now. So first of all, what we did, I asked him. Okay, are you listening me?
yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, to avoid the conflicts, what I do, I push this. Don't run this code at your side. Okay, okay. I'm just
Okay, okay, sir.
pushing it. Okay. Don't run this. Okay, we did changes. Okay. Git if commit minus n. If you understand this, you can next time use this. Wait, sir, we will do our next code. That's okay. Just understand it. Okay. States. So if you understand this CRUD, and the next CRUDs will be very easy for you.
Mm.
And we are not using any hard prompts because the ChatGPT is advanced enough to know the basic thing, at least for the coding. Okay. So we just started with the hello I, and I want to make a model for a state where its ID and title fields only. We have to mention him all the fields. You have only two fields, and Laravel 10, and at that time Laravel 10 was not there. He is saying that, but still he says that we can do the things. Okay, because it was last knowledge till the January 2022. Okay, so first of all he say create the migration. So instead of go here, creating new table, adding fields and all those things,
Mm. Okay.
so he say that you have the artist on PHP, Laravel, powerful system you have, just you go this way. Okay. If you ask is regarding the coding matter, it's totally different. Okay, because the framework changes, all things changes. So first of all, he say make this migration, and then it says that you have to update this one. Okay, in the migration, we have only ID and timestamp. Then we added this one time title field. So we only
Tip.
need these two things, ID and title. If we need more things we can add there also. Then we run the migration. When we run the migration, it creates the table for us. Okay. Then we make the model of state. When we make the model of state, till here you understood the first one. Okay. Next we did the model state, and we got this file type. Inside we have models indicates
Models.
state.
State file.
State
State.php.
file is what if it is a model, and what is the role of the model? Here we explain
Ish.
that it is connect with the connect the our Laravel or other our framework to the database.
The base.
To avoid the security, instead of directly taking the code from controller, if you did the core PHP previously anytime, then it was very hard to do that. What if it is not systematically MVC? What we did, we do the MySQL object there. We do the insertion there. We also do the coding there. We also do the styling there, and it get mix up, and it is very hard to manage.
Yeah.
That's why
Yes, sir.
we have the latter the MVC models. So we keep our logic, all our business logic in the model. Okay. So how means this is our all logic. Which one? You shared this one, right? This is all our logic in another way. So we just keep all this thing in the models. Okay. And then routing help us to trigger out the events, and the events are triggered by the controllers.
Good.
In simple language I am saying. In depth you will have all these thesis and thesis, all those things there, but just for the simplicity I am saying this one. Okay, after creating the model, it get created in apps model. Okay, and inside this we need to add this one protected fillable. So if this title is not in your fillable, then it will be not accessed by the entire code. Okay, so otherwise you have to make the another model or something. This is what the protection. Protect.
Protection.
Yes, means if there is a sensitive field, okay, you are working on some sensitive field, and you just like consider this one created and updated, and these values are not added by us, okay, these are taken automatically. And if you do it by the manually, you have to take the current timestamp, you have to go to structure and set this thing. All these things are done by the that migration itself, okay. So we just need to focus which field we want to add. Next time if you add here the field description, then you also mention it here, otherwise it will not get add or it will give us the error. So next, here, understood till here? Hi, hello,
Yes, sir.
both of you understood till here? Hello,
Yes, sir.
say loudly, understood?
Understood. Understood. Sir.
Understood.
Okay, yes. Now we are going next. What we did, we made the migration, then we made the model, then we need the controller. So controller is actually connecting the view and the data, right?
Yeah.
It is actually middleware, we can say that. You admin say I want to see the list of all the states. So okay, controller say okay, put the states, and controller after checking the run going to the model, fetch the data and show to the admin. Okay, this is all happening right now in front of our eyes, but it is actually very fastly. That's why yes, but this is the basic diagram which is working there. Okay, so next thing, we need to do the with the controller, and we pass the resources. It created the blank uh, skeleton, we can say, for us. Okay, then what next? He also okay. Then we need some rules. So we need to define the rule also needed this part. Okay, we did this one. Okay, I can have the tick mark. Okay, we did this one, this one in the migration, this one in the make model. Now routing, we did also the controller, but we not mention anything there. We not coded there. Then we are now going to do with the routing. So instead of writing rules called create, update, delete, insert, okay, listing, so we just use the resources, route resources. So it will take care of all, means you don't need to add statement, you don't need to write this route states and create. Okay, we never wrote this one. Okay, inside the web.php, where is our that file? Here we not we just write this line. Where is this admin? Here we just write the resources and it will take care of all this create, edit, update, delete, all these things. We just have to make the resources, and this is our it's mostly the table name. Okay, and then the which controller is doing this. Okay, means to execute all the resources of this state controller, we need to pair with some things. Okay, this way. So we have this is the path, and this is the controller get access, and the resources matches create states create match with the states functions create method. It directly get match. So we don't need to write the index create. Otherwise we need to write the rule for all the things. But with these resources we don't need to do it. So this is done. Routing is done with the single line only. Okay, two lines. First of all, we have to access the controller, and further we did the changes, made it secure. Made it secure. What we did, just put it inside the middleware, or then what user access admin. Inside this we put it and it gets secured. Okay, this is done here routing. So which part is done? This is done very quickly. So two parts remaining: the controller code and view parts. Okay. So
Okay.
okay, I'm just explaining what we did.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
just like a revision. Okay. So initially you was only one method. So this was right, but I say that please complete also other methods. So he gives us all the things. Okay. So
The
all
edit
the
part
methods
and
are there.
everything.
Yes. Okay. And we just copy one by one. to our code. And now I am just quickly explaining you what does mean. It is index method. It says state all. State all means state is a model, and you if you have to access all the records inside that table inside
Mm.
from this model, you just have to call the all. This is method already written in the Laravel. Okay, Laravel,
Okay.
just like parent class and child class.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
When child class inherits from the parent class, what happen? All the properties of parent goes to the child. Yes. So
Yes.
inside the state, we don't need to mention anything. Okay, we don't have all the method, but it extending the sorry inherits not. It is extending the model. This is
Models.
by default the model of the this one illuminate database default model. This
Model.
is inside the Lara
Laravel.
Laravel. That's why the all method is already defined there because it is in the parents method. Just like so, we don't need to define those things. We just using our predefined method from the Laravel different packages. So we get the list in the states variable. When you want to compare means when you want to pass the data to the view. Okay, so here we are. Here, if suppose this control goes here, the model takes some data, and now he's going to show this admin. So this data to be sent to the this view. Suppose this is the data. Suppose this is this rectangle. This is blue rectangle is data, and this is to be sent from here. Okay, from the here. Okay, it transfer from the database. Some piece of data is taken from the database. It is then again go to the model and model to controller, and now controller is providing it to the user. Okay, so to do this, we need to pass the data. Okay, it is directly model access the how from how model take the data from how controller take the data from model. Just one line of code here. Here this one state on. It took all the things. We first defined the model, imported the model in the controller, and it now the data is in the controller here. Okay, the statement data is in a controller, state controller, but it is not in the view. To send the view, we have the function. We just have to put the path of our view and give the comma and use the compact function and pass the variable. This variable and this variable is same. Just you don't have to use the dollar sign. Okay, in the code igniter you need to pass the dollar data there. Here you have the compact and you have to pass the variable name, same name you need. Okay, if you have a states one, you just need to states one also. Okay, the same thing. Okay, now the data is in the view. Now data is in the view this way. Okay, understood the index function. Hello,
Mm. Yeah, sir.
understood. And what happened and how to represent it? It is written in the written in the view only. Okay, so if I go to the index page, states index, it is saying states index. Dot means a folder. Okay, folder means the view. Inside we have the states folder, and that inside we have the blade
Index.
index blade dot php. Okay, so here what happened? We have the states data. First we create the route. States create to add new. Okay, on the same page we have the add state button, and later we have the for each. Here you can say states. You can access it directly. You
Okay.
don't need that like this one. If you done with the coding matter, you may need like this, right?
Ah,
For it.
yes. Yes, sir.
You don't need it because it is a blade
For
engine.
each. For each.
Yes, here these symbols are supported because it is a blade engine. Because it is again get parsed. If you directly pass it to .php, index.php, it will show as it is, right? But it is passed to first blade. Means this code again after receiving this data, it again gets the rendered. Okay, I can say that. Okay, I can say that this page code, and sorry, this is page code, and this another one code. It again get render, and then we have the view. Means, but it appears very fastly that we just can't means not it is happening very fastly. Just I refresh it and we have the data, but all the things happening behind upon it like this thing. Just understand it once, and we okay. So if you see, I pass the variable as states, right? Here, here. So I can access it with the dollar states, and like just like a it is a PHP
Six.
variable only. Okay, just you have to access like a PHP variable, and then as a state for each, and just every state has the ID and title. Okay, then we have it, and here we have the first link is for the edit. Okay, and we sending the data to the ID. So once I click here edit, you can check the error. Localhost EzKongsi public states and 2. 2 is what? This is the ID of my data
Mm.
row
ID
column.
of that
That's why
particular data
yes,
title.
that's why, and we have the edit. So we pass it. So that's why we see the record that the title from the database. First,
Mm.
it is taking from the link URL that means it is ahref link. Okay, when I click that link is generated. Okay, this is,
No, it's
but
give
for the
pathway.
yes, and the say for the delete it is what are the but here we use the delete method. Okay, we generally use two types of method. Which one? Methods. We just see this. Okay, here methods. Yes, form methods. Gate and other methods are there. Okay, form submission method. Form methods.
The on click like that as a.
No, no,
But
no, no,
that
no.
one more to jQuery, right? Sir?
No, no, no. Methods means how the data is get, post, and
Nah, get post on.
get post. It is not showing. Get. Okay, we got this. Yes, we have the get post, and actually there are more methods. Yes, here it only two. Okay, this blog is also hosted. Method attribute. Right, you said. We had this word, but where is it? Method attribute. Okay, get post. Here also no. Okay, we ask for the separate. What are the method form methods other than get and post? It will give us the name. Okay, it is also explaining all the okay. Get post. We have put. Then we have the delete. Okay. So these are more secure than the post method. Okay. So for the if you are going to delete some record, and you must use the delete method. The data also get deleted with the post method. You if you did already even with the get method also it can get deleted. But deletion generally we provide more security because accidentally some data get deleted. To avoid this, we use this method. So that's why we have the method delete here. And if you check it like this, okay, I will show you. If I inspect it right click and inspect it, you will have the final render output. You can see form method and okay, it is the also the post method only, but we have the value delete here. Input field method delete. It is for the processing. You can see this delete method here. Actually, it is a post, but inside this we have the hidden field, and we also have the token because this is extra security provided by the Laravel. And here we also have the on click. Okay, this one.
On click return policy.
This one. This is what confirm alert. Okay, confirm is written true when
Like a
if you
message
are
box.
yes, when
Like
you click on yes, it is written as true, and if you click on false, no, it will return the false. And if you return the false, it will not get submitted. Okay.
like giving a
So ChatGPT is very smart. It also without asking, we not ask him to do this. This is done by him. As for the it is done by the machine. Okay, I can say the him. Let's say. Means I want to say it is smart enough. So it also give us the alert previously. Okay,
The alerts.
before deleting it. So okay, this one. Okay, and here we are. Here inside of the this. We are looking for the first view. Yes, which one? This is the this one. Okay, we in that we have the edit button. You see that we have the ID passing there, and that's why it's showing the uh, that data. Delete, we have the post method. Okay, and add stack, we have just adding the method. So how many views we have? The create a index one. Then we have the create view. In the create view, you can see it is very simple. It has the layout. Code is just 24 lines, and here is the content started and end section. It's, this is for what? This is for the layout understanding. At line number 3, in every view, index even, you have this thing that content. Okay, content is started here and end section. Means this is one section. You can have the
Mm.
multiple sections inside the, and inside the layout you can apply it to different styles. Means what happens inside the blade, inside the body, inside the main, we applied this one. Yes, if you have
Mm.
another section, you can apply it at different places also. Okay, this is available. We will see when we it is needed to us, but this is get inside the main tag. But what one? This one, inside the states in the index. Which one? This one, 3 to 45. Got, we have the packaging to know where to encapsulate this thing. Okay, like this. And where it get encapsulate, here one, the first line tells which is the bag. And here inside the bag we have the place to where they put this line. This one line,
Mm.
190th line,
Mm.
tells us to put the content here. Okay, so that's why this form or this list, this is get put at this place, not it not get put at to the left, not at the top bottom. Why it is get place here? Because we uh, tell him to put it here. Okay, we can cross check it. Just for testing I make it 580. Okay, just for just checking it. So we have the margin 580. Okay, you can see this. So this is the thing which is making the content visible. Okay, in comment this one, you will not have anything. Okay, in any, just in the create also. Okay, in everywhere you will not have anything because he just commented this thing. Okay, content. So this is
Oh,
here.
okay, okay.
Got my point? That what I am saying.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes.
this is one. This is the content. This is the layout, and this is our main view. Yes, this is our index view. Okay, or any view have the same thing. This way it is going to work. So this is the first thing we did with the. Okay, I just refresh it. I have this one. Then we have the create. Inside the create, we just have the simple one, title and submit button. Okay, inside the create we have this one. Now what happened? The we are not seeing any space between this title and submit. What I do, I just add some padding. You can use the bootstrap classes. So from the top empty, and I add the margin of 1. Instead of padding I add the margin of 1, and I refresh it. I can have small gap is there. If you want more gap, you can change to empty 2. Okay, because the MDB bootstrap is based on the bootstrap only. Okay, that's why. Okay, this way we will go to fix all the things. And suppose you want the title and the submit button on the same line. Okay, so you can do it with the this one, and this is the first, and you have to encapsulate both in the same div. Okay, I say row inside this one, and then I put this first one in the you know the grid structure of code. I can say 8. This I put it, and then this code. Yes, and this button I put control X, bold, 4. Okay, what is it? I am extending. I'll set that. Save it. this thing, and here I can have the label, but this label is not needed. Okay, this is making okay. Okay, I need to put it inside the form group also. Okay, so what I do, dot form group. Okay, inside this I put these two things, cut it, control Z, control Z. It is not get selected properly. The butter and this one. Okay, I just cut it, control X, put it inside the thing, save it. Now you can see. Okay, it is still not working. Doesn't. Okay, it is for title. I need to give some ID to this button. Okay, I just remove the form property. Not working. Not a input. It's okay. We will do another fix here. What I do, I put the BR tag here. Okay, BR tag is very odd. Not very common. How we can achieve it? We just add the class of margin top. D3 I can set. See, it is working or not. Okay, it is working. We need to increase its value. MT3, I say MT5, margin top 5. Okay, it is more. Let us adjust it to 4. Okay, now it is okay. So basically it is the CSS already written. Okay, and if you go here, bootstrap 5, you search on Google, bootstrap 5, okay, sorry, 5. Here you have all the references. If I say margin, I want to give the margin. Okay, margin and padding. Okay, margin and padding, spacing utility. Okay, it is showing us MT0, MTNS at the start. I want from the top, right? Hello, hello guys.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Getting it. And so it is,
Getting.
yes. So this is the, where is the documentation of bootstrap. If you interested, you can go further here for study. Okay, so we are using it for our project to make this one for the dashboard. So this, all these classes you can use it because we using the MD bootstrap, and this gives access to bootstrap also. So this way we have the thing. So if I have the so I will add this one and copy and add it to this one. Okay, got it.
Got it, sir.
Okay, does your migration is properly done? So do you have this table? Both of you have this table. Okay, forgot the values, but you have the table like this: ID, title, create ad, and updated ad. Hello guys,
Yeah, yeah.
have also have this model, state model.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, just going to commit it again. Okay, or we leave it. Okay, I just updated the style. I just make this commit also. Commit ad. Okay, don't do at your side. X Y minus minus, and this is the title. Okay. So if you have the table and all things properly, means the database is there. And if you pull now, you will have the all the things running. Okay. Okay. More things I have to explain. What the things remaining? The, I think the that actions, the delete button and this thing. Okay. Last thing. Okay. The create is this. Okay. Also I will explain the edit one. Okay. Okay, in the state controller, create we don't pass this method, store method of states function get called, and it passes the data, and this function get called, and the new row is get created. Okay, here we have this one. Okay, this line is the what, we have the action and the methods. Okay, and we have the resources in the routing, that's why it automatically get connected to this one, store method. Okay, so no need to extra routing, and this happen. So lastly, in the form we have the submit button. Okay, in the create we only have this one, this form. Okay, and now in the edit, it is just like creating, but what happen, it is to update one, and it is passed to update, and we also pass some data. Here is what we have, the old function, there is a title and state title. This is coming from the database, and if something went wrong and form get redirect, if wrong forms are there, the old value will be there. Okay, like type. This is for protecting, avoiding the user to fill the long form, and you submit it, and some error from validation, you get return, you will have old values from this function. Okay, these have two parts. This is the fill data from the user, and this is from the database. This one, state title. Okay, got it.
Got it, sir.
And from where the state title is coming, you must have the state from the controller. Okay, so when you call the edit function, we compress the state. What the state? This state and the state. This is object, and this is get to your URL simply. So we have to write the code for the get. Okay, it is actually doing by itself. So it is taken only that step. So this one is, this code is doing all the things for you. Okay, if you do it, it manually, you have to go to table, you have to find that record by ID, and then you have to come with the title, and then compact it with the view, and then show it in the view. So no use it. This just this one is taken, and this one is also received. So, and we not implemented the show method because it is not needed, because it only we have one thing to display, and it is also shown in the index also and the edit also. So that's why we just keep this show method. And then we have the update for the edit method. Okay, after editing, when we save, it will get called to the update. From where? Here. Okay, routing here, states update. Okay, and for the update also we need the ID, to which record we should update. So from this ID, it gets called, and the request method, this is the new title. Okay, and from here you get the ID, and so it is called the update. So that particular record only get updated. So just like I say, if I update this one, call Telangana, that record only get updated, not all of them. Okay, you can see here. This one is handled by this one, state. Okay, same thing when we need to fetch the data, and now this time we need to update it. Okay, same state, but that ID and all those things get managed by the Laravel itself. So finally, after the update, we have the destroy method. In the destroy method, we have the first state delete. Same, we pass the same object, state. That row we pass it, and it get deleted. After deleted, we obviously redirect to index and say state deleted. Okay, so just like this, if I delete this one, it will get alert, because this alert is written in the index page here. This button, we just see that confirm alert, and if I confirm, then it will redirect to us, and if I cancel, it will not do anything. Okay, so this is happen. Okay, with the last part of the controller, destroy method. If then
Okay.
if this function not called, cause we have the confirm there, if I press S, then destroy method got called, cause in the index you can see here the form has the routing states destroy, that's why the state controller, the destroy method get called, and to get the state, how we will in the index we pass the state ID. Just like edit, here also we pass the ID. Okay, you can see in the 77 and 28 we passing the state ID in both the routes. Okay, that's why that particular only get updated or particular only get deleted. Okay, this is we done today. Understood, guys?
Understood, sir.
Okay, I updated the code. You can pull it and make it workable if it is not. And if you have the doubts today, okay, tomorrow what we will do, we will have a dependent drop down. Means now we are going to add the city, and then we will add the city from these states only. Okay, means just like normally we have the what we have country, right?
Yeah.
Then we have
States.
states,
States.
and then we have the city. Okay, like this. We because our project, I think we don't need the states, right? Okay, we don't need the countries. Okay,
Yeah, country no need.
okay. If you need it, we can implement that also. Now what we do, we will take one state and we will all add all the cities inside this one. Okay, like this. Same thing we can do, and then that time is just different. We need to data from the both two models. When we need the data from the state also and city also for the editing and creating, we also need the data. For here we don't need the data. Okay, you can see that here we're not sending any data here store. Here create, we're not sending the state, but we don't need. But for the city we must have the drop down of states. Okay, right? You got it, my point?
Yeah, good.
What I say, for the state we don't need the country because we skip the country, but for the city we must need this what city and which state that city have. That's why we also need the data for the create also, and in the state we don't need it because this is our the uppermost level, the location. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we stop today and continue tomorrow. Can you have the time, or you can decide?
Can say again. I can, sir.
Okay, okay. Just remember that if you have a small doubt also, just ask me out. Okay. Anytime means you can just comment in the WhatsApp and I will reply you later also when I have the time. If you got that, if you're revisioning and if you find that I not get the things, okay. Also you can compare the things here also from the Git also. Okay, I will show you the last thing how to check that one. If you go here and create one, yes, this one. Here different commits are there. Okay, commits are there. Stay CRUD is there. Okay, and you also have the time that it is 37 minutes ago, 2 weeks ago. Okay, okay. And if you that then that what happened in this, just click on that link, and you will have this green things are added. Okay, and red things are removed. Yes, like this here we have the route web.tsp. All the files for that commit you will have the access. Also in the left side you have the that folder structure like this. Okay, so this will be very easy to comparison. If you are trying to do it manually for practice and you want a reference, this is very best thing. Okay,
Okay.
just
Okay, sir.
go to our repository and you can get the commits and depending upon the commits, and I have the commit names simple that you can also understand. Added Laravel framework, this is the first 2 week ago. Then the state UI minor changes, this is made the 10 minutes ago. States means that CRUD, states CRUD, that we have make it in the single line. So you want to check what happened with this, you can just check only two files are changed. Create what we did changes, create also, yes. The formatting got changes. This will also get included in it. I just formatted that
Including.
file properly. That's why it's showing up. Okay. Red things are gone, and the green things are added. Okay. So this one we added some things. Okay. In the index. just those are get shown here. Okay, in the create we added that one. That form button was there, and we added the row. And do you know the grid structure?
Agreed. Oh yeah, good.
Bootstrap
No,
grid.
no.
Okay,
Yeah,
just
yeah, no.
this is for your homework. Okay, so just read it. Okay, this is very easy. Yes, there are already written here. We have to just use it. Just read it what it is because it is needed as you can see you can get it from here. So you can have in general what is it is a 12 column. One row has a 12 column. You can divide the one row into 12 parts, and generally saying I said here the 4 and 8 means I break down it into two parts. I have 8 part in one side and 4 part on one side. This way. Just read it once. I will explain it tomorrow also. Okay, guys.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Just go through it. If you have any doubt, just ask me on WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. Fortunately, we have all the things. Okay, I will upload this one also.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
guys.
sir.